All right, so we're back again. Another quick video. We're basically going to do geometric series at this point. So a sequence is basically the list of numbers that it's in a list of numbers with the same common ratio. Geometric series is the addition of all those values together. So it's the same kind of thing. The only difference is when those values are going to be multiplied, okay, and divided. So we're going to add make a summation of all those values. All right. So on the test, we're basically going to have the first number in the series. We're going to give you the common ratio already, or the CR. So the R is going to represent CR. Sorry. Okay. And then we're going to give you the value is the list of numbers that we have. So we're going to have 6 of them. Okay. If you wanted to, you could basically just go 4 times 4 and 16 times 4, etc., and then add them all up, and you'll be able to get a value. You could do that, but I'll show you the other way to do it to make it easy for you and to get these geometric series done. Okay. So the equation you need to work with, okay, is right here. All right, and I'll tell you exactly what the equation is. A sub 1 means the first value in the sequence, which is 4. Then you're going to minus a sub 1 again, which is 4. Common ratio, which is 4 to the power of 6. On the bottom, it's going to be 1 minus the common ratio, which is 4. So all this stuff jumbled up together is going to give you a value of the geometric series. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to. The most important thing that people have a problem with is the PEMDAS portion of this. Okay, I'm going to make sure to show you exactly how to solve this so you can see it the best way possible, and so you can get the correct answer when we do it on the test. All right, so I'm going to plug in all the information, and then we'll talk about the PEMDAS portion process. So I'm going to go 4 minus 4, because that's what I'm looking for. Common ratio is 4, and it's to the power of 6. And then I'm going to put it over 1 minus 4. Okay, it's very important that you put the numbers in the correct spot. Okay, we'll obviously know that. Now, so I'm going to work on the bottom first. So obviously this is going to be 1 minus 4, which is negative 3. That's going to be negative 3, automatic. Okay, and it's important it's negative 3 because the top is going to end up being negative 2. So when the top is negative and the bottom is negative, that gives you a positive answer. All right, so if you do, first things first, PEMDAS, the first thing is you're going to do exponents. I want to put 1 where I'm going to do first. It's the exponents. So I'm going to do 4 to the power of 6. That's going to give me 4,096. Okay, like that. Now what I'm going to do, now this is where a lot of people had issues. Okay, you can do 2 things. You can either take this negative 4 and distribute it inside the parenthesis and get a negative value. But if you do that, you'd have to add 4 to this at the end. Or what you could do is, which I'm going to do right now, is I'm going to distribute my 4 through and get a value of that. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to minus 4 from that as well. Okay? So I'm going to take 4,096, I'm going to multiply that by 4, and that's going to give me this value. 4 minus 16,384 over negative 3. Okay? So now, this is the problem that people have. We're going to take this 4 right here, and I'm going to minus from this. So it's going to be 4 minus the answer. So when I do 4 minus this answer, this is going to give me a negative value. Okay? So I should end up with 163.80 negative. Okay? That's going to be over negative 3. All right? So again, positive 4 minus 16,384, that gives me this value. Then all I have to do at that point is divide by 3. Negative 3. And that will give me my value, 5,460. Okay? Does everybody see that? So make sure that you understand what's going on. You have to do the exponents first, multiply this by 4, or if you want to do negative 4, that's fine. You can multiply by negative 4. And then from there you have to, if you multiply by negative 4, you have to add 4 to the answer. okay? If you don't, do it my way, and I multiply by 4, and I mind 4 minus the answer, and then I divide it by -3. So you will get 5,460. So what that means is that a sub 6, so if I took the summation of a sub 6 of all the values in the equation, actually turn that to s, sorry. Summation of the 6 values in the equation, multiplied everyone through, I'm going to get the value of 5,460. And that will be my answer. Again, this one is the hardest one of all. Okay? You got to make sure that you're looking at your signs. You got to understand. If you have any questions on this also as well tomorrow, please come in and talk to me before the test, and I'll try to help you out to get you cleaned up on this. This one's the toughest one of all. Okay? So again, I have all the videos up for you on the test. If you need to write down notes because you don't have a notebook for tomorrow, this is a good opportunity to do that by looking at the videos. Probably going to take you about 40 minutes to an hour to do. And then you'll be prepared for the test because you can use your notebook. So make sure that you have the information, and we'll see you all tomorrow to make sure that you do well in this test. Thank you.